Let me share the next hormone, and that is testosterone. In cases of PCOS, we have seen there are high levels of testosterone in women. Along with that, there are certain menstrual irregularities and disturbances. Infertility can be there because of these high levels of testosterone. Likewise, in men, when testosterone levels are low, then it causes many problems. Let's see which are those problems and how we can diagnose them. The normal range of testosterone in male is between 300 nanogram per deciliter to 1000 nanogram per deciliter. If it goes below 300, then we can diagnose it as low testosterone, and then it starts showing its symptoms because of those low levels. While in adult females, the normal range of testosterone hormone is between 15 to 70 nanogram per deciliter. So, which are the symptoms of low testosterone in case of men? There can be low sex drive. There can be weight gain. Difficulty with erection is there. Low semen volume is seen. Difficulty of erection is there because of low testosterone hormone. But sometimes, along with that low testosterone hormone, there can be other chronic diseases like hypertension, high levels of cholesterol. Sometimes, liver and kidney dysfunction also causes this difficulty of erection. Then, low semen volume is seen in many of the patients who come to us for infertility. So, in cases of male infertility, these low testosterone levels decreases the semen volume. Semen is required for the sperms to travel and reach up to the uterus or to reach up to the egg to fertilize them. So, if it's in very low quantity, then there are less chances of getting pregnant naturally. Weight gain can be there because of these low testosterone levels, and definitely low sex drive is seen in both men and women when testosterone levels are very, very low. So in men, fatigue can be there, hair loss can be there. There is loss of muscle mass and decreased bone mass because of these low testosterone levels. Low blood counts are seen in cases of low testosterone. The study has been published that when there was low testosterone and associated low blood counts in those patients, we have started testosterone, that external medications we have started, and we have seen great improvement in their hemoglobin levels. So it is also associated with testosterone. Similarly, there are certain symptoms which got corrected with the external supplements, and this testosterone, whether it is synthetic or it can be bioidentical, like just like our body produces it. So both kinds of testosterone helps in balancing these functions, and it can help in alleviating these symptoms. Not necessarily that only testosterone supplementation or addition will work. There are few other things which you need to incorporate in your life. You need to balance all other hormones. We need to see that which are your other hormones which are not functioning properly and how we can correct them. Apart from that, certain natural supplements and certain natural hormone balancing, dietary changes, and lifestyle changes are also important in balancing these hormones in our body. Apart from that, testosterone also, that these low testosterone levels causes many health challenges in men. It can be mood changes, feelings of depression, irritability, lack of focus, and low self-esteem. So testosterone is the most important sex hormone in men, while it is secreted in women's body also, but it is in a lesser amount. Along with this testosterone, estrogen also plays a major role in men. When estrogen levels are very high, then there happens to be gynecomastia and other symptoms which we have seen in estrogen dominance. So these two hormones, testosterone and estrogen, are very much closely related in men's body, and they hamper the normal functioning of. We have seen these symptoms. So, which are the causes of these low testosterone levels? It can be because of too much exercise, Poor nutrition can be one of the reasons. There can be serious illnesses like liver dysfunction, cirrhosis of liver, kidney disorder can be there. In cases of AIDS or HIV, it is seen that testosterone levels goes down. Autoimmune disorders are there in which testosterone volume goes down. Then there can be injury to the testicles. There can be infection of the testicles, and sometimes in cancer patients, while we give them chemotherapy or radiotherapy, testosterone levels goes down. There are certain other conditions like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and cardiovascular disease also, which affects these levels of testosterone. So testosterone is affected by so many conditions in our body that we cannot exactly pinpoint that what is causing these low testosterone levels. We need to apply many different medications, and we need to go for multifactorial approach in this treatment of testosterone. So how this testosterone works in women's body? It helps in sex drive, then bone density and muscle strength. With age, testosterone levels goes down in male. After the age of 40, testosterone levels start going down. Till the age of 60, we have seen the major testosterone decrease in men's body, while in women, its production goes haywire. In cases of PCOS, we have seen the high levels of testosterone, while during the menopause, we have seen the lower levels of testosterone. So it changes in every phase of your life, be it at puberty or in the reproductive age or in the middle age or in the menopause in case of females or in andropause in cases of men. So it is important to see in which life stage you are and what is the reason behind that hormonal imbalance. And likewise, we can give certain medication to correct these hormones.